A lot of people ask me, what is the biggest setback? Because I have no problem eating vegetables. I love tofu. Biggest setback would be unable to eat any dairy food. As you might know that I am a cheese lover. So if I can't really eat cheese, that really turn me off. And plus, I do love seafood very much. For example, oysters, salmon, fish, tuna, trout. So it's a bit difficult for me to not be able to eat fish. I guess yeah, those are the main two setback for me. Hey guys, so I just came back，啱啱教完班翻嚟，有啲肚餓，咁我已經食咗幾粒我最中意嘅 macadamia。Once again, nuts is perfect. Proteins, a lot of nutrients. And if you are having vegans, have more nuts and seed. One of my favorite tofu 係呢一隻，佢 once again 亦都係寫住全素 full vegan. How am I gonna do is put it with some veggies. So 咁放喺面頭 just put on top and let it steam for a little bit. 好好食。Beautifully done. Dinner is served. Yum.